Okay, we are here in Atwater, Minnesota on December 12th, 2010. We're turning up Minnesota Avenue. We're going up the hill.
Here's the new councilman's house, Gary Tagtoe.
We're going to keep going a little bit higher. You can see the ethanol plant out in the distance.
Some pretty good snow drifts.
Wow, look at that snow drift.
Almost as high as the car. These are as high as the car.
There's the ethanol plant. Island Pine Golf is just off to the side. The Island Pine Golf Course. Dale just honked at a kid playing out in the snow, shoveling. City maintenance crew did an awesome job cleaning out over here. They've done a really good job keeping things open. Lots of cars to clean off, Dale, over there.
It's the junkyard.
The Atwater Funeral Home. Parking lot's cleaned off there. Coming into downtown Atwater.
There's the old Hotel Atwater. The contractor started work on that on Monday.
Got the Christmas tree decorations up, or the Christmas decorations up. Look down in a distance, there's the huge new grain bin they put up, or corn bin. There's the
Remnants of the old lumber yard.
Now we're turning on to Highway 2.
Heading south.
Just went over the railroad tracks, little bump there. Now we're cleaning out over here. There's the feed mill.
And a good shot of your corn bin.
Oh, here's where Lordy planted corn last spring. Had a great harvest this fall. On East Road South, Avenue. Now we're going down 2nd Street.